Hey guys, today is the third class, and we're going to be learning how to use cloud variables. My name is Ralph Itegru, and I'm 9 years old. This is currently the third class, and I'll be teaching you how to code Scratch. So let's get started on using cloud variable. What is a cloud variable? In Scratch, cloud variables are simple variables with advanced features. They store data on Scratch servers and also change when projects change. So you should be familiar with this Scratch home screen. So let's make a project. But here's a catch. If you're a new Scratcher, which most of you probably are, you might not have the cloud variable. You need to make sure that you are a Scratcher, not a new Scratcher. Like me. I'm a Scratcher. If you're a new Scratcher, you won't be able to use cloud variables until you're a Scratcher. So if you want to be a Scratcher, you have to go to somebody's project and comment, I like it, or something kind. And then Scratch will invite you to be a Scratcher. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go back to Dancer. So now I'm going to go to the variables option and click my variable. And I'll click for sprites only because I'm greedy. And then I'm going to click cloud variable. Huh? I thought I clicked sprites only. Well, cloud variables wants to be kind and allow all sprites to use it. So guess you can't be greedy on this one. Okay, I'm gonna name my cloud variable cloud super cloud. Super cloud 100. 1000. Please note, cloud variables only support numbers, not letters or symbols. Huh? So cloud variables only allow you to put numbers, not letters or symbols. That's kind of disappointing. If I had letters and symbols, I could literally chat with my friends on Scratch. That'd be really cool, but the Scratch team doesn't allow that. Okay. So let's use our super cloud 1000. Okay. Let's go to thinking. Let's go to, I'm gonna look for something. I have a great idea. What if I make a change? Like change the value when I click sprite. And it'll share that value to a person that's using the variable. Let's try that. I'm gonna say duplicate, put this to the side. Drag this down. And I'll put this over here. And put this over here. And put that. Now you can see both answers. So you don't need to click share because this project's not done. What's this? Both of them changed. And I didn't even click this right. I clicked this one. That's what cloud variables are. They send data. I'm going to click all the way to 100. Almost there. 50, 51, 52, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 102, 100. I don't want to get carried away with this. This is just too fun though. Okay. So now, how do I change this back? Idea. Why don't I just set it to 0? Abracadabra. It shall turn to 0. Magic. Nice. Now let's try something even more spectacular. with cloud arrows. Oh, let's get started. How do I make it? Since we can't use letters, we could this. This will be fun. And I'll ask you, what's your number? What's your age? And my answer will be age 9. I am 9 years old. What's this back over here? Sure. And you save. And go over here and low. Oh. Let's try this. My age is I am 10. No, I'm not. I am 1. No, I'm not. I am 9. Yes, I am. Look at this. What if we use it to change? Let me think about this one. I want it to be awesome. Duh. This is just not for sake. I want something fun, not boring like all this. I want it to be like a game, something cool. Let's pick a pong and put the high score of somebody, and it'll be over here. Do you want to try it? Yes? You want to try it? Okay, let's make a game. Let's call it pong. So let's go to the tutorials and see how it's done. Pong. Let's watch this.
Anytime scratch, make a phone game. And start like submit.
Hey, let's do the same thing. Yeah, let's just get to the fun. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be her. Okay. Look for back. No. Backdrop. Let's just choose what she chose. And I don't want this old chunky sprite. I want a ball. I'm gonna change the costume. Delete. Delete. Now let's just do a ball. I want to try a basketball. Pongy and basketball. Basketball. Where is my old basketball? Yay, there's my ball. I don't want this old junky costume. Rubber. It will move. Okay, we'll go and move. Actually, I need some help. I'll just go to tutorials and cheat a little bit.
You can use scratch to make a home inside the loop. Okay, great. It's moving back and forth.
Oh, there's my help. I make a move. I just want to be a little bit funner, so I'll do 20. And we'll go. Let's try it. That's a little bit too fast. Let's just do 20. Let's try it. That's still too fast. 15.
See if we can make it bounce at an angle. I'll make it bounce at an angle.
I don't want to do her way. I want to do it my way. Wait. I want to make a variable change. CH for short. Yeah. It's supposed to point at an angle, maybe. Bro, what is going on? It has to be something. A line and a paddle. Let's use my paddle. I call this paddle 600. I want to do ball touch. Oh, I really need some help.
There to be able to move the paddle side to side under the mouse. So I'll get the paddle go across the stage line. Great act, find out how.
Bruh. Yeah. Oh, there's my help. Can't believe she couldn't even tell me. That was rude. That was definitely rude. So rude. Yay! Turn 180. We'll move this video. Just be patient, guys. And move 15 strands. Oh, I forgot we can't even move it. Just I even moved that pedal. Uh, this is gonna take a little bit longer than I expected. Finally, now we can get to our thing. That's a little bit slow. It's hard. Okay. So after we're done with that, now we want it to show a player score. Okay. So now we need a list. List. A list just holds stuff. List. So list will add score. Add username plus score. Join Where am I going? Let's try it. That over there? I don't want that to happen. We'll do one after um after after surprise clicked. That's my score. I he'll change score when I actually when and score is oh whoa, it looks like it's actually working. Seven, eight, nine. Looks like it worked, and now everybody's gonna see this. So this was actually kind of fun. Whoa! There's also more other tutorials on how to use cloud variables. I guess mine was a little boring, but it's still fun. You could check GriffPatch tutorials on how to make a multiplayer game using cloud variables. That one's actually fun. I actually tried it. So, well, guys, I'll see you later and have a good day. Bye.